Hello, today I'd like to show you our Europa ceiling tile. It is a 3D ceiling tile that goes beautifully with modern, contemporary, retro, or mid-century furniture and decor. It works with a standard 1-inch wide, 2 foot by 2 foot drop ceiling grid. At 0.5 millimeter thick, its feather-like construction and flexibility makes it super easy to install, even in tight spaces. They're also easy to cut for lighting. Being made of durable PVC, it's designed to last a lifetime. It's waterproof, mold, and mildew resistant, and can be cleaned with soap and water. This makes it ideal for basements. For your safety, it also has a Class A fire rating. When installing, it is important not to have anything touch the tiles from above, as these tiles are not weight-bearing. All insulation, AC ducting, wiring, and light fixtures must be properly supported from above. That was easy, and it looks solid as a rock.